This video will show you how to export a Destiny Holds report to Excel. First, go to the Destiny admin, select Reports, and then go to Report Builder. Go all the way to the right and select New Report. When this Report Builder screen comes up, you're going to drop down this library choice and instead select Patron because you're trying to generate a list of patrons and their current holds and bookings. So when you select Patron, a new menu of choices will drop down in this box. Then go all the way to the right and select the next arrow. On this screen, you will need to check off several different patron information and current holds and booking details. Make sure you select barcode patron, grade level, homeroom, and first name and last name. Under current holds and booking details, please select expires, hold booking status, and title and name. And then after each step, you do have to go to the far right and select the next arrow. On this next screen, you're going to want to sort by homeroom, last name, and first name. So you will be making adjustments here in this section, and you can leave this one alone. And then, of course, select the next arrow. On this next screen, sort the report details in any order by using the Move to Top and other buttons. However, this step can be skipped since we are going to be exporting to Excel, and then at the far right, you can click the next arrow. After that, step 4 will show up, and you need to sort by grade level, patron, and then barcode patron, and you can leave the last choice as none. Then again, click the next arrow. For the next two screens, there are no entries required, so you can just skip that one, click next, skip step 6, and click next. And then name and date the report, and then at the far right, you will select Save and Run. On the next screen, a Job Manager report will appear, and it will take a few minutes to generate the report. When it shows a completed status, select View as Excel, and then you can manipulate and sort your data however you desire.